Alright guys, today we got a 2014 Porsche Panamera in for an install. So this car's just come in for a CarPlay and Android Auto module to retain the full factory features on this one. So factory reverse camera along with all the usual Porsche stuff. So factory head unit just with an Android Auto and CarPlay module. So I'll just jump in here and show you all how it looks and works. Alright, so just jumping in here, as you can see, it's still the factory head unit with this one. So what you want to do is your info button, you want to press and hold this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and that's going to flick over to our CarPlay. So completely wireless and completely touchscreen with this unit as well. So through here you got your music, your navigation, phone calls, all that sort of stuff. Your selection tool through this one actually works through this dial as well. So as you can see, working all nice and smooth. You just focus on the screen a bit better. Then to get back into your factory system, just press and hold this one again for 3 seconds. That takes you back here. So the audio for this car is running through AUX. So just through the factory system side of things, you want to make sure your source selection is on AUX before anything. That way your audio transfers across. So steering wheel controls all fully functional, everything working there. All your track selection tools all working. I won't try them at the moment because then that will stuff up the video. All your climate control just runs through this, all these fancy separate panels down the bottom here. Factory reverse camera all nice and working as well, as you can see there. So 360 camera on this one all working, along with the factory sensors as well. Back to park, straight back into your CarPlay screen. So pressing that one will take you back into the actual CarPlay menu. So once again, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It's got your mirroring, your media selection as well. So it does have a USB access point as well, which is just located at the bottom of our glove box here, tucked away nice, so it's not going to stick out and annoy the customers or passengers or whatever in this car. The actual module itself is just located right down the bottom corner there, so just underneath all those little panels. So nicely tucked away. No exposed cables, no need for any cables to plug in your phone. And simply just pressing so you got your back button and CarPlay, takes you straight back into there. And once again, all your factory panels down the bottom here fully working as well. Back to there. So installation for this one was a little bit tricky, but it does come with pretty good instructions. So if you have any questions or if you're interested in this one, hit us up and be sure to ask any question that you do have in regards to this one. More than happy to help. It is a very good unit. Cheers.